Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, or the toggle panel I guess, from the upper right side, expand it and locate the toggle for screen recording, which looks like it's actually not enabled by default, so we will need to press right over here, edit switches, and as you can see there is the switch for screen recording. Now once you locate it, hold it and then drag it over to the top, drop it, select done, and now you can actually access it from here. So tap on it. I'm going to mute the microphone so it doesn't record me, but as you can see it's already recording, so whatever you will do right now will be obviously recorded by the phone. If you open some kind of apps, that will be recorded. And once you're done, tap right here. This will automatically stop it and save the recording to your gallery application. So I'm going to open that up just so I can show you what is that. Anyway, let's go into our albums right here, select videos, and you can see it right over here. So as you can see, there is the screen recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.